we doing? How are we doing? So today I am going to show you how to do a detox tea that would help you detoxify the body using sea moss. Tea with sea moss. And this is a cold tea. You can also drink this tea warm too as well. But today we are doing, yes, a tea. A raspberry lemon detox tea using sea moss, right? That's what we're doing today. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, The Poetically Vegan, and then I want you to subscribe, comment, and then make sure you hit that notification bell so when I go live, you will be the first to know. Anyway, okay, so let's get it started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to brew your tea. So I'm using a green tea raspberry tea, okay? And you can use whatever tea that you like, okay? But this is a raspberry lemon tea. So you want to brew the tea and let it sit a little bit, let it get warm, to cool down a little bit so it won't be so hot when you're ready to drink it. But we're going to add some other things to help cool it down, okay? So let's get started. So I already have my tea that's already brewed, okay? So like I said, this is a raspberry tea, but we're going to add some extra other goodies in this tea as well. So I got me a glass. So we're gonna pour our tea in here. You see it's still kind of warm, which is okay. We're gonna cool this off in a little bit. We're gonna cool this off just a little bit. And then you wanna add your lemon, okay? You can use a lemon, you can use a lime, you can use a key lime, whatever you have. But you wanna get some citrus in this tea, okay? So tea is also a good detoxifier for the body, okay? It helps eliminate waste. It also helps with weight loss as well, okay? So we want to wake up these juices. Just roll it on your table, on your countertop, on your kitchen island, whatever it may be, on your cutting board, because you want to get some juices in there, okay? So we're going to cut this in half, just like that, and we're going to squeeze the juice in there. Just like that. And you can use the whole lemon, you can use half a lemon, whatever one you want to do, okay? So we're going to do it just like that. Add the juice in there. Yes. There we go. And then we're going to stir it up just a little bit. We're going to stir it up just a little bit, just like that. Okay? Whatever spoon you have, okay? And then we're going to add some ginger. I'm using fresh ginger. You can also use powdered ginger, whatever one you have, but I'm using fresh ginger. And another thing about ginger as well, it also helps detoxify the body. All these ingredients is a good thing to help detoxify the body. It also helps with the digestive system. It also helps with bloating, gas. This is your baby. Inflammation, get you some ginger in your life, okay? For real. So the best way to peel it is not to peel it with a knife, but to use a spoon. Use a spoon and take the skin off of it just like that. And it comes off real easy because the skin on the ginger is really, really thin, okay? It's really thin. And we're not gonna use all this ginger. We're not gonna use all of it because the ginger can be a little spicy and make the tea too hot, and you don't want that. It has a little spice to it, okay? So that's what we're doing with this. And we're just gonna get just a little bit, we're gonna take it all the way around, just like that. And then we're going to cut it a little bit more, just like this. Cut it as thin as possible. Just like that. I'll probably use about 3 slices of it, okay? 3 slices. And then we're going to put it in the tea, just like that. Put it in your tea. And then we're going to add a little bit of our coconut vinegar. Coconut vinegar in here, okay? Just like this. There we go. Probably just a half a cup, half a top full, just a half. Don't take that much. Don't put that much in there, okay? And then we're gonna add some ice cubes to cool it down as well. So I'm gonna use a couple of these ice cubes. And this is something you can make going out the door in the morning time, something you can sip on, you know what I'm saying, going out the door. But this is a good detoxifying tea to get the body going, okay? And then we're gonna add some raspberry. I have some crushed raspberry, okay? We're gonna put this in the body as well. And we're gonna eat this too. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna put this in our cup, just like that. And raspberry is a good antioxidant. Any of your dark fruits and vegetables, any of your dark fruits have a lot of antioxidants, okay? Like your raspberries, your strawberries, your blueberries. You want to get those in your system as well. Look how pretty that is looking, okay? I want to put some more, just a little bit more. And like I said, these are crushed raspberries. There we go. And then we're going to put just one of the cube sea moss in here. So I got mine in the ice cube. If you haven't seen my video how to do this, how to store your sea moss to keep it longer, here's another way you can do it, okay? So we're gonna put one of those in there. Yes, it will break down. It will, okay? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to experiment with your food, okay? We'll let that do what it's gonna do and let it continue to break down, just like that. But I wanna add just a little sweetness to it, so I'm gonna add, you don't have to, you can eliminate this if you want to, if you're on a detox for as helping the body as well, but this is another tea. But if you wanna add just a little sweetener, you can use stevia, you can use that, but I'm gonna use a little tab of maple syrup. Yes, I am. Just a tab, like I said, you don't have to use it. You don't want to. But today, I'm just gonna put a little bit here just to make it sweet. Just a little tab. Okay? So how's that detox if you're gonna put just a tab? It's just like if you're using stevia when you sweeten up your foods and stuff. See that ice cube of that sea moss is breaking down. If you can see that, it's breaking down. OMG. This is gonna be so awesome, y'all. Okay? And what I wanna do is I wanna cut a piece of a lemon so we can, just like this, just a little bit. But I want it prettier than that. Okay, let's cut a little bit thicker. Just like that. And then we're gonna put it on the side. Just like this. Oh, wait a minute, come on, stay. Don't play, just stay. Yay! Our raspberry lemon detox tea with sea moss, okay? That's another way you can use your sea moss, okay? If you have not gotten into my Facebook group or even subscribed to my YouTube channel, The Poetically Vegan, we are waiting for you over there, okay? So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and these are some of the things I do over there. Let this continue to break down. If you can see that sea moss breaking down in there, oh my God. Baby, baby. Let it continue to break down. But I want to taste it. Just like this. And it's cool. OMG. OMG. And another thing you could add in this to give it a little more kick, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. Just like that, to give it another kick, to help detoxify the body. And cayenne pepper also help with weight loss as well, okay? And we're gonna add that in there too. We're gonna add that in there just like that. Like I said, you don't have to put that in here or put the maple syrup in if you don't want to. OMG. OMG. Lemon help flush out your body. Help flush out all your kidneys to prevent your kidney stones, infections, and things like that. You want to get that in your system as well to help flush out all that with the vitamin C in it. Awesome. This is awesome. This is real good. Oh my goodness. And let your sea moss continue to break down. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I'm going to put some more ice in here. Just like that. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. Yes. So try this raspberry lemon detox tea using sea moss. Hey, so I'm gonna sip on this. OMG, it's real good. It's toxifying. It tastes so good. It really, you have to try it, okay? You have to try it. Other than that, this is your girl Felicia come to you live with another video. And my new shirt. I am hip to this vegan life. Hemp to this life. For real. Anyway, this is your girl Felicia. Come to you live with a video. I am so happy. I am so happy to be drinking on this. And I would love for you to try it. Please try it. Oh, baby. That sea moss is breaking down. Because remember, it was frozen. It was frozen, but it continued to let it break down. And look at all those goodies in there. And don't be afraid to drink that raspberry, okay? Don't be afraid to drink the raspberry, get it all in your system, to get the body flushing out, okay? To clean out all the detox in your body. Get the body working for you. Put the things in your body that your body needs. And this is some of the stuff that your body needs, the sea moss, okay? If you want to order some sea moss from me, just you can go to my website at poeticallyvegan.com. You can get it there, okay? Just get some in your system. Get some nutrients in your system. Get some things to get this body way it needs to be, okay? Get it together, okay? Get it together, and you can do it. You can do it one step at a time, one glass at a time, okay? And get the body aligned. Get the body aligned, okay? And get the body moving, okay? Help the body what it needs, and working out and get the body moving, help detoxify the body, and it will help you be even healthier, okay? Other than that, this is your girl Felicia. Coming to you live again with the raspberry lemon detox tea using sea moss. Until then, the next time, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button as well, and don't forget to leave a comment on my Facebook page and also on my Facebook and my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. Other than that, hey, this is the Poetically Vegan, and I'm out. Bye.